recipe. If you're not able to do this one, you can show me some yogurt with some fruit or a healthy snack of some sort that you like. But we're doing overnight oats. It involves oatmeal, yogurt, milk, and fruit. And so hopefully you can make it, and it goes in the refrigerator overnight, and then we pull it out in the morning and it's ready to eat. The main part of this recipe calls for yogurt. I like Greek yogurt, rolled oats, and I use coconut milk, butt milk. Those are the main 3 ingredients that you need. Then you're gonna have different ingredients that you can use for your fruit. So in your lunch last week, you got dried cranberries and raisins. So you also got some blueberries if you picked up a lunch. So those are going into one of my containers. I'm also going to do blackberries with peanut butter. I use peanut butter powder for my peanut butter. I'm also going to do one that is called a piña colada, which is coconut and pineapple. The peanut butter one, I'm also going to be using some raspberry jam. You're also going to need some type of container. Preferably glass, but if you don't have that, I got these at the dollar store, but you can use any type of container with a lid. Okay, you're gonna need a 1/2 cup of oatmeal. That goes into the container, and of course it's spilling. And if you see my little green stains, that's from making my wreaths back at Christmas time. And I'm using coconut milk, so that's going in there for 1/2 cup. And then 1/4 cup of yogurt. And again, I use Greek yogurt because that's what I like. But you can use any type of yogurt. If you already have flavored yogurt, that's fine too. I'm also adding some chia seeds. I'm putting a little bit of maple syrup, and you guys can recognize this container. You get it from the school, so just a tiny bit for me. You can use honey if you like. This is a way of sweetening it up. I'm taking a tablespoon of my peanut butter powder and putting it in there. And then a big tablespoon of the raspberry jam. So I'm putting it all in there, and I'm mixing it up. Mixing it really good. Get all the ingredients mixed together. And then this is gonna go in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, I'm gonna make the other 3 ingredients, but the recipe will be on the virtual classroom, and if this is what you wanna make, you can make it. So we'll see how it turns out in the morning. All right, I made piña colada, that's pineapple and coconut, and peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter and banana. That's this one. Then there's a swirl of chocolate right there. Blueberry, cranberry is this one. And I can't remember what this one is. It'll be a surprise. So in the morning, they'll be all ready to eat. So I can't wait till the morning to have some yummy, yummy rolled oats, overnight oats. It's going to be exciting because I've never made them before, and I did taste test a little bit as I was stirring them, and they tasted really good. Okay, boys and girls, it's morning and now I get to see how the oats turned out. So let's see if they're set up. I have other things in my fridge, but it looks like they did. Yeah, well, everything's falling out, but I can't remember which is what, but this looks like, I don't know. We'll just have to taste different ones. Okay, this is the peanut butter, banana, and chocolate. That's the one I'm wanting for breakfast. So if you can't make it, oh, it looks really good. If you can't make it at home, you guys can make some yogurt. That's good. So make some yogurt with some fruit if you can't make the recipe. I don't want to talk about food now. But it's so good. Chocolate, banana, peanut butter. What more can you ask for? Plus oatmeal. But make something healthy and show me your nutritious breakfast that you've made.